the 10 cheapest fixes that prevent the most expensive repairs. 9 out of 10 drivers are literally throwing money away by ignoring these tiny maintenance hacks. But here is the kicker. Each one of these fixes costs less than $30 and could save you thousands in catastrophic repairs. Before you spend another dime at the mechanic, watch this. These are the 10 cheapest preventative maintenance tricks that separate responsible car owners from people who end up with $5,000 repair bills. Let us start now with hack number 10. Stop topping off after the pump clicks. You are at the gas station, the pump clicks off, but you squeeze just a little bit more fuel in. Feels good, right? More gas, more miles. But here is what you are actually doing. That extra fuel is going straight into your vehicle's EVAP system, the charcoal canister that filters fuel vapors. Let me explain why this matters. Your fuel tank is pressurized, but not to hold liquid fuel. It is designed to handle vapors only. When you top off, liquid gasoline enters the canister, saturating the charcoal filter that is supposed to absorb only vapors. Once that charcoal gets wet, it stops working. The fuel control computer detects the malfunction, and boom, that dreaded check engine light appears on your dashboard. But the real damage? Now your entire EVAP system needs replacement. We're talking $400 to $600 for a part that was destroyed by $5 worth of extra gasoline. And the consequences do not stop there. A failed EVAP system throws your emissions out of balance. Your car runs rougher, your fuel economy tanks, and you fail your emissions test. Some states will not let you register your vehicle until you fix it. The fix? It is brutally simple. When the pump clicks off the first time, stop. That click means your tank is full. Do not squeeze the handle again. Do not try to add just a little bit more. Walk away. Your fuel tank knows exactly how much it needs. Respect the click and you will never see this problem. This next one is so cheap, you will not believe it can cause so much damage. Hack number 9. Gas cap seal and tightening. You finish filling up. You screw the cap back on. You are done, right? Wrong. Most drivers do not check if their gas cap is actually sealed properly. Over time, the rubber seal inside the cap dries out and cracks. When this happens, fuel vapors escape into the atmosphere, your EVAP system cannot maintain pressure, and guess what appears? That check engine light again. But here is where it gets expensive. A worn gas cap seems harmless, but it is a warning sign that your entire fuel system is losing integrity. If you ignore it, moisture gets into your fuel lines. Your fuel pump starts working harder. Eventually, it fails. A fuel pump replacement runs $1,500 to $2,000 depending on your vehicle. For a problem that started with a $5 gas cap, the fix is so easy it is embarrassing. First, remove your gas cap. Look at the rubber seal inside. If it looks cracked, dried out, or damaged, replace the cap. Any auto parts store sells them for under $10. If the seal looks okay, clean it gently and make sure when you screw the cap back on, you tighten it until you hear 3 distinct clicks. That sound means the seal is compressed properly. Do this every time you fill up, and you will never face an EVAP system nightmare. This next hack will blow your mind because it seems so small. Hack number 8. Radiator cap swap. Your car's cooling system is under pressure. That pressure keeps coolant at the right temperature and prevents it from boiling away too early. The radiator cap is what maintains that pressure. Most drivers never give it a second thought. They assume a plastic cap is a plastic cap. But radiator caps are not all the same. A quality cap has a pressure relief valve set to a specific psi rating, usually between 13 and 16 psi, depending on your vehicle. A worn cap cannot maintain this pressure. Your coolant boils at a lower temperature. Hot spots develop in your engine, and cylinder head gaskets start to fail. A failed head gasket is a $5,000 to $10,000 repair. Sometimes your engine is not even worth fixing at that point. You are looking at an engine replacement that costs more than a used car. All because your radiator cap lost its ability to hold pressure. The fix takes 30 seconds. Your local auto parts store sells new radiator caps for between $15 and $25. Grab one that matches your vehicle's specifications. It will clearly state the SI rating on the packaging. Swap it out for the old one. That is it. Your cooling system is now protected. This next one is called the Hidden Oil Leak Creator, and it is absolutely brutal. Hack number 7. PCV valve maintenance. Your engine creates pressure as it runs. That pressure comes from combustion, from gases burning inside the cylinders. If you just let that pressure build up with nowhere to go, your engine seals would blow out. Your gaskets would fail. Oil would leak from everywhere. That is where the PCV system comes in. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. It is a valve that lets excessive pressure escape from your crankcase and routes it safely back into the intake manifold. Here is the problem. That valve gets clogged with sludge and carbon over time. When it clogs, pressure builds up inside your engine. Where does it go? It tries to escape anywhere it can. Your oil seals fail. Your gasket leaks. Suddenly, you are losing oil constantly. You are always topping it off. You are checking under your car and seeing puddles. You take it to a mechanic, expecting a quick fix. The mechanic tells you that you need new gaskets all around, new seals, and a complete engine cleaning. The bill is $2,000. And the real kicker? The problem was a clogged $50 valve. Here is how to prevent this catastrophe. Check your owner's manual for the PCV valve location. It is usually near the valve cover. Once a year, especially if you do not drive much or use the car for short trips, access the PCV valve and inspect it. If you see excessive carbon buildup, replace it. A new PCV valve costs between $30 and $70. Installation takes 10 minutes. Do not wait for symptoms. Do not wait for oil leaks. Replace it proactively, and you never have to worry about pressure buildup destroying your engine seals. This next one causes uneven braking, and it is terrifying if you do not know what is happening. Hack number 6. Brake caliper slide pins service. When you brake, your brake pads squeeze against your rotors, but the calipers that hold those pads need to move smoothly. They ride on little metal pins called slide pins. These pins are supposed to be lubricated so the calipers can move freely. Over time, these pins get dry. Rust develops. Dirt gets stuck on them. Suddenly, your brake caliper is not moving smoothly anymore. What happens? One side of your brake pads wears way faster than the other. Your brakes feel weird. They start pulling to one side. Your rotors warp from uneven pressure. You feel vibration in your steering wheel. You assume you need new brakes. The truth is way more complicated and expensive. If you ignore this, your brake fluid gets contaminated. Your ABS system has to work overtime. Your brake lines get stressed. Eventually, you need a full brake system overhaul. Calipers, rotors, pads, hoses, maybe even a new master cylinder. We are talking $900 to $1,500. All because you did not service the slide pins. The fix is shockingly cheap and easy. Every brake service, your technician should remove the slide pins, clean them, and apply new brake lubricant designed specifically for slide pins. If you are doing your own brakes, this step is non-negotiable. Slide pin lubricant costs about $8. The pins themselves cost maybe $15. 15 minutes of work prevents months of brake problems. This next one is about cleanliness, and it is more common than you think. Hack number 5. MAF sensor cleaning with the right product. Your mass airflow sensor, or MAF, measures how much air is flowing into your engine. The engine computer uses this information to balance fuel injection. The sensor has a tiny hot wire inside that is incredibly fragile. When you clean it, you cannot use just any product. You need MAF Safe Cleaner. Most drivers do not know this. They go to their mechanic, say their engine is running rough, and the mechanic recommends a fuel system cleaning. The mechanic uses the wrong product. The hot wire on the MAF sensor gets damaged. Now your readings are inaccurate. Your engine runs lean or rich depending on the error. Your fuel economy drops by 20%. Your check engine light appears. You are back at the shop. This time, the diagnosis is a failed MAF sensor. That part costs between $150 and $400 plus labor for a problem caused by using the wrong cleaning product. Here is the solution. If your check engine light is showing a lean or rich condition code, ask your mechanic specifically if they have MAF Safe Cleaner. If they do not, go somewhere else. MAF Safe Cleaners are sold everywhere. AutoZone, Walmart, Amazon. They cost between $12 and $18. The key difference is that MAF Safe Cleaners do not leave any residue on the hot wire. Regular carb cleaner or fuel system cleaner leaves a film that throws off the sensor's readings. Insist on MAF Safe Cleaner. Your engine will run correctly, and you will avoid a $200 repair from using a $5 product wrong. This next one is absolutely invisible until it is a problem. Hack number 4. Valve core leak test. Your tire valve stem has a tiny valve core inside it. This little part costs less than $1. Its job is to hold air pressure inside your tire. Over time, valve cores wear out. They develop micro cracks. Air leaks out slowly. You notice your tire pressure is low, so you add air. A few weeks later, it is low again. You think you have a puncture. You take your tire to the shop. The technician cannot find any hole. They tell you to keep an eye on it. A month later, you are still adding air constantly. This is so frustrating. What you do not realize is that your tire is losing pressure through the valve core. If you ignore it, your tire eventually deflates while you are driving. You lose control. You could cause an accident. At minimum, you are stranded on the side of the road. A valve core costs literally nothing. You can buy a pack of 5 for $3. But most drivers do not know this is even replaceable, so they suffer with a slowly deflating tire for months. The test is ridiculously simple. Grab a spray bottle of soapy water. Spray it around the tire valve stem. If you see bubbles forming, you have a leak. Use a valve core removal tool, which costs $2, and replace the core. That is it. Your tire will hold pressure again. This next one affects your air conditioning and interior air quality. Hack number 3. Cabin air filter replacement. Your car's cabin air filter cleans the air you breathe while driving. It removes dust, pollen, bacteria, and pollution from outside air before it enters your vehicle. Over time, this filter gets clogged with all that stuff. When it clogs, your air conditioning system has to work much harder to push air through. Your compressor runs longer. Your system gets stressed. Your AC starts blowing less cold air. You turn up the fan speed to compensate. Now the compressor is working even harder. Eventually, something fails. Your compressor burns out. That part costs between $800 and $1,200 for a repair that was triggered by a filter you never replaced. But the respiratory impact is even worse. A clogged cabin air filter means contaminated air is circulating in your car. You and your passengers are breathing air with higher particle counts. For people with allergies or asthma, this is serious. Kids in the back seat are breathing dirty air all day. The fix costs $12 to $18 for the filter itself. Replacement takes 10 minutes. Do this once a year and your AC runs smoothly, your air is clean, and your compressor lasts for the life of the vehicle. This next one causes water damage that spreads and spreads. Hack number 2. Sunroof drain cleaning. If your car has a sunroof, it has drain tubes running from the sunroof frame down through the door pillars and out the bottom of the vehicle. These drains are supposed to channel any water away from the interior. Over time, these drains get clogged with leaves, dirt, and debris. Water cannot escape. Where does it go? It backs up into your headliner, your door panels, your carpeting. Inside your doors, water sits and stagnates. It creates mold. It causes electrical short circuits. Your power windows stop working. Your door locks malfunction. Your speakers go out. Water damage spreads through your entire vehicle. The smell becomes unbearable. You take it to a shop, and the estimate is $1,800 to $3,000 in water damage repairs. Meanwhile, your sunroof drain was blocked by a handful of leaves. The fix takes 15 minutes. Pop off your trim panels. Locate the drain lines. Use a shop rag to clear out any debris. Run water through the drains to make sure they flow freely. That is it. Check your drains twice a year, especially in fall when leaves are falling. You will never experience the nightmare of water pooling inside your doors. And finally, the one nobody checks. Hack number 1. Windscreen cowl drain cleaning. You know that area at the base of your windshield, between the glass and the hood? That is your cowl. It is supposed to channel water that runs down your windshield away from your vehicle. This area has drain holes that route water out and down the sides of your car. Over time, these drains get blocked with leaves, dirt, and pollen. When they clog, water has nowhere to go. It backs up into your heating and air conditioning system. It pools inside your dashboard. It runs down into your cabin. Now you have moisture inside your car. The windows fog up constantly. Mold grows inside your air vents. You smell that musty odor whenever you turn on your AC. But the real damage is happening inside your dashboard. Water is sitting in there, corroding electrical components, destroying circuit boards, damaging your climate control system. The cost to replace water-damaged dashboard components is sometimes $2,000 to $4,000 depending on your vehicle, because your cowl drains were clogged. The fix is simple. Every 6 months, check the area around the base of your windshield. Remove any visible debris from the drain areas. Use a leaf blower or a small brush to clear out dirt and leaves. Pour some water through the drains to verify they are flowing. This takes 5 minutes. Do it twice a year, and you will never have water inside your dashboard. So here is the reality check. These 10 fixes cost less than $200 combined to maintain your car. Ignoring them costs you tens of thousands in repairs. The difference between responsible car ownership and financial disaster is literally just paying attention to these tiny details. How many of these were you already doing? Drop a comment below and let me know which one shocked you the most. If this video saved you from expensive damage or made you realize your car needs some maintenance love, hit that subscribe button for more money-saving automotive content that gets straight to the point. Your wallet will thank you. Now, there are more tricks that mechanics know about, but most car owners never discover. Check out the video in my channel about the hidden features in your car that could be saving you money right now. Thanks for watching.